इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing some smart and effective hacks along with space-saving organizing ideas to make your daily tasks easier. I hope you will find these ideas helpful. So let's get started. During winters, light blankets, shawls and woolen caps often ends up scattered around the house, especially in the living room where we relax and watch TV. Since we frequently need these items, we tend to fold them and leave them on the sofa or a table, which does not look very tidy. If your living room does not have cabinets for storage, you can use a beautiful aesthetic basket to keep these items organized. For example, I use this cane basket that I've had for years. During winters, I store light blankets, shawl and woolen caps in it to keep the living room clutter-free. What's great about this cane basket is that it looks beautiful no matter where you place it, adding a decorative touch to any space while serving as a practical storage solution. Let's move on to the next hack. As soon as winter begins, the regular craving for a hot cup of tea or coffee becomes a constant. That's why creating a tea and coffee station in one corner of the kitchen can make it super convenient to prepare your favorite beverage quickly. Plus, a dedicated tea and coffee station adds a charming touch to your kitchen decor. To set up mine, I use two thick planks, but you can also use a regular tray if you prefer. On this round plank, I have placed an electric kettle for boiling water. I also had a wooden cutlery organizer lying around, which I repurposed to store tea and coffee sachets. Its compartments are the perfect size, keeping everything neatly arranged. For decoration, I added a planter and placed my favorite stainless steel milk frother in front of it, which makes amazing coffee. Of course, coffee feels incomplete without snacks, so I have kept homemade laddus and namkeen treats in these two ceramic jars. My tea and coffee cups are stored in the cabinet above. But if you want to create a similar coffee station and are short on space, you can use an over-the-cabinet teacup holder to store your mugs. Since coffee mugs are slightly larger, this holder can fit about 4 mugs or 6 smaller teacups. It is an excellent organizer for efficiently utilizing vertical space. And just like that, a tea and coffee station is ready. The coffee wall sign was already there from last year, so I did not feel the need to change it. Seasonal changes like these are not always necessary, but they can make the regular homemaking journey a bit more exciting and add a touch of freshness to your space. It also gives the kitchen a whole new look. We all have certain boxes, planters, or other heavy items at home that are difficult to move, especially during cleaning. For instance, I have this box where I store newspapers. Once it is full, it becomes quite heavy and hard to move since it does not have handles on the sides. Similarly, I have this ceramic planter with an areca palm that's also challenging to shift because of its weight. Although planter stands with wheels are available for such purposes, they usually come in standard sizes and don't look great indoors. To make this task easier, I use these self-adhesive loose wheels. The planter has a water dripping tray underneath, so I attach the wheels to the bottom of this tray, which perfectly matches the size of the planter. Now the tray has been transformed into a movable tray. Similarly, I have attached the wheels to the bottom of the newspaper box. See how easily the box moves now. Let's put them back in their places. Cleaning has become so much easier now as I can move these items effortlessly without any strain. This hack has been a game changer for me and I hope you find it helpful too. Now let's look at a very practical and effective organizing idea. The cabinet under the kitchen sink often goes unused because of the drainage pipes, which can get dirty, making it unappealing to store anything there. To hide these pipes, you can install a small curtain using an extendable tension rod. While the rod sticks to both sides on its own, you can use self-adhesive side hooks for extra support. Once the curtain is in place, it conceals the unsightly drainage pipes, allowing you to utilize the front space efficiently. To make the most of this area, I highly recommend this flexible rack. It can be adjusted to fit the size of your cabinet, and the shelf height can also be customized as needed. If your cabinet has limited space, you can even position the drainage pipe to pass through the middle of the rack. This makes it a very versatile organizer. You can store anything you like on this rack, but I find it ideal for keeping cleaning supplies. So if you have a cabinet under your sink without any leakage issues, you can efficiently use this space in this manner. Next, let's talk about a hack for organizing scrunchies and rubber bands. Here I have two types of kitchen paper roll organizer. One designed for countertop use and another for wall mounting. While these are typically used to store kitchen rolls, you can repurpose them to organize your scrunchies as well. Most of us have plenty of scrunchies in different colors, and since they are slightly fluffy, they tend to take up a lot of space in the dresser. With these kitchen roll organizers, you can neatly store all your scrunchies in one place, saving space and keeping them organized. Another option which I have shared with you before and personally use is to organize scrunchies inside a cabinet using an over-the-shelf teacup organizer. This not only utilizes the vertical space inside the cabinet efficiently, but also keeps the scrunchies segregated as each one hangs on an individual hook. This makes it super easy to access any color scrunchies directly. However, there is a limitation to this organizing idea. To use it effectively, your dresser must have deep shelves. In the kitchen, we often use self-adhesive hooks to organize small items and tools. However, these hooks cannot be reused. For a more durable and reusable option, consider using magnetic hooks. These can last for years, and when not needed, you can easily remove and store them. You can place these hooks on the side of your microwave to hang measuring cups for easy access. They are also great for hanging other kitchen tools like tea strainers, scissors, whisk or bottle openers, saving valuable cabinet space. If your fridge has a metallic side with enough space, you can use these hooks there as well to hang items. Unfortunately, my fridge does not have much space on the side, so I can't demonstrate this for you. Overall, magnetic hooks are a versatile solution, especially for metal surfaces. And that's all for today's video. I hope you find these ideas helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. I will see you all next week. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.